Speaking activity, importance of environmental morality. We share the earth with animals, birds, plants and insects. Be kind to them. Don't pluck flowers. Don't chase animals. Just enjoy nature without harming it. Cut down waste. Reduce what you throw away. Reuse bags and bottles and recycle paper, plastic and metal. This keeps the earth clean. Water is precious. Turn off taps, fix leaks and don't waste water while bathing or washing. Remember, every drop counts. Trees give us fresh air, shade, fruits and home for birds. Planting trees, even small ones, helps fight pollution and keeps us healthy. All animals have the right to live safely. Take care of pets, feed birds, and respect wildlife. Never harm animals or destroy their homes. Pollution makes our air, water, and soil dirty. Always use dustbins and remind others to keep the environment clean. Choose things that are safe for nature, like cloth bags instead of plastic and eco-friendly products. Small choices make a big impact. Keep your room, parks, and playgrounds clean. A clean environment looks beautiful and keeps everyone healthy. Turn off lights, fans, and gadgets when not in use. Save electricity. It reduces pollution and protects our earth. Encourage your family and friends to plant trees, save water, and care for the earth. Together, we can protect our planet for the future. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel because learning never ends. Bye.